Hey guys, how to use Rome2Rio to plan multi-destination journeys. So first of all, go ahead to your website or download the app if you have one and enter your destination. You're traveling from Riyadh. In my case, I live in Saudi Arabia, so from Riyadh to London, or the other way around, from London to Riyadh, whatever that might be for you. And then click see all options, and you'll be redirected to a page where you're going to be able to select your airplane, automobile, or buses if you want to use a bus, right? Or ferries, or driving with estimated costs and durations. And then select the most convenient or cost-effective route, right? Let's have an example like this, right? From King Fahd Library to Daraya, right? And from Daraya to the airport, and from Riyadh to London, right? London Gatwick Airport, and then to London Victoria, right? From Gatwick Airport to London Victoria, right? If you want to plan a second trip, you don't have to close the window and redo it all over again. You could go ahead and click trips at the bottom right, and then click where you want to go from. Let's say, for example, Saudi Arabia, and I'm going to Canada, for example. My next trip will be Canada. So I'm gonna click create trip, and how much money it will take me, right, to go there. And if you want to add another destination, you can just do that. And if you want to explore hotels, or if you want to rent a car, you can go ahead and compare the best rate to rent a car in that specific place. So Rome2Rio makes planning complex journeys smooth and efficient. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Catch you the next time.